Hi, now I'm going to be showing you the Microsoft Teams demo on how Microsoft Teams can be an easy collaborative tool for you and your company to use. It also makes communications much more seamless and categorized and organized for easy productivity while working remotely at home, or if your company decides to do rotations in and out of the office due to what's happening right now. This Microsoft Teams makes it easy to work remotely and from your office. So I'm actually presenting this PowerPoint through Microsoft Teams, showing that you can actually present and work on Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and whatnot through Microsoft Teams, making it much more productive rather than using certain applications on one computer that you don't have on the next. You can work straight in Microsoft Teams to increase your productivity. I'm going to be exiting out of the PowerPoint now to show you what Teams is all about. So as you see, we have to the left, we have our team. Your team can be categorized by your department or your entire company, however you choose to have it. And then each team has its set of channels. You can create your channels to be whatever you want them to be, certain topics, certain departments. We have ours categorized in a certain way that fits us for our company. Each team has a general channel in which you can post stuff that's happening throughout your company and whatnot. As you can see, we have pictures of our team meeting that we had actually yesterday. You also notice each channel has its own chat bar where you can start your own conversation. And in those conversations, you can actually reply, "Oh, cool," or to continue the conversation within one thread rather than replying and then losing track of where certain conversations are being placed. And within each channel, you can actually have your set of files. So if I go to files, it's going to be listing a lot of files that you can upload or your structure of files that you wish to have. And this will be widely accessible as long as you're logged into Teams. This is accessible to anybody in each channel, and you can set each channel to be locked for private conversations, upper management, or certain departments that you only want certain departments to see. So if I go in, I actually created a MS Teams demo. So I can work with Microsoft Word within Teams. We can actually collaborate with your coworkers on the actual document or PowerPoint or Excel sheet. So as you can see, it says while you're away, new changes were made by Sean Hammond. I can actually have a conversation with people, anybody that I want, right as I'm working with the document. So if I move this window over here, I can type, "Hey, Sean, please type hello in this document." And the chat will pop up with the document attached to it. So all he has to do is open up the document that I sent him. He'll be able to have access to it, and then you'll see he's gonna actually type a new bullet point within this document in real time. That's the beauty of Microsoft Teams collaboration, because it's real-time live editing. You're able to work together on a document while being at two separate computers or working from home. As you can see, he typed hello. You can see how Sean is actually in the document. And so I am actually going to thank him. Thank you, Sean. And then I'll add him so he receives a notification. Cool deal. So that's just an example of collaboration within Teams. I can also show you some advanced tools that you can utilize as well. such as if I were to go to the marketing channel, you can organize your file structure just like for your company, however your company utilizes their file structure. Or I can, within each channel, you can have a set of tabs. And what do these tabs do? I'll show you. These tabs are available for each application that you want to implement. So let's say I want to add a website. I have the option to add a website, and it's going to ask me, what website do I want? I want to add CNN website. And then I'm going to type in the URL, www.cnn.com. I can also notify everyone that's in this channel to be notified if I post a new tab. I will take that off for the moment. But if I save, sure enough, you'll be able to load any website that, oh, there you go. You'll be able to load any website that you want and work straight in Teams with that website. Again, proving that it increases productivity because you work straight into Teams without having to go to multiple tabs and whatnot, showing that this is Microsoft Teams is the perfect collaboration tool, as well as increasing productivity. Along with what Teams has to offer, there's also calls that you can make. So instead of, if you don't have your office phone on you, considering you're working remotely, you can actually make calls from Microsoft Teams itself. It's an additional license, but it makes worth having to work remotely and taking calls within Microsoft Teams at the same time. Also, you can have your files and different applications, whatever you choose within your Teams, in order to keep your company at a productive state. And that is it for the demo. And thank you for watching.